Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. As we had completed in the last video the sums related to HCF, today we'll start with LCM, which means lowest common multiple. It is also called as least common multiple. Okay, least lowest common multiple or least common multiple both are same. Short form is LCM. Like we had done in HCF, two methods. Here also it can be found in two method. First one is prime factorization method that we had done in HCF also. Common division method. So the first we will see that is prime factorization method. Now in prime factorization method, if we take example LCM of 24 and 48. So what we have to do, prime factorization means we have to use prime numbers and we have to do it separately. So 24, 48 will go by 2, 12 are 2, 6 are 2, 3 are and 3 1s are. Now 48 means 2, 24s are 2, 12s are 2, 6 are 2, 3s are and 3 1s are. Now what we used to do it in HCF, the same method. 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and 48 means 2, 3 and 4 times 2 into 3. Now here little bit change will come in LCM. LCM में whatever is common that we have to write down, like 2 and 2 is common, so we'll write 2. Again 2 is common, so 2. 2 and 2 is common, so again 2. Now here it is 2, but in 24 one more 2 is not there, तो उसको भी साइड में वैसे ही रहना. तो now what else is common? So 3 is common, so multiplied by 3. अब ये सब कॉमन है. नाउ व्हाट इज नॉट कॉमन? दिस 2 इज नॉट कॉमन, सो उसको हम लास्ट में ले लेंगे. ओके, जो कॉमन है उसको पहले लिख दो, जो कॉमन नहीं है उसको भी लेना है, सो दैट विल राइट डाउन एट लास्ट, सो देयर विल बी नो प्रॉब्लम. सो 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are is 24 and 24 2s are is 48 is the LCM. Now common division method. So in common division method, again we'll take the same example, LCM of 24 and 48. Now common division method, how we had done in HCF, the same. We have to take both the numbers together. Now we start by 2, so 2 12s are, 2 24s are, 2 6 are, 2 12s are, 2 3s are and 2 6 are. देखो HCF में हमने यहाँ पे स्टॉप कर दिया था, मीन्स 3 आता था, लेकिन दिस नंबर कैन बी डिवाइडेड बाय 2 ऑल्सो. इसको हम 2 से भी कर सकते हैं. सो ये 3 वैसा का वैसा ही रहेगा. जिसको हम डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते उसको एज इट इज़ ही लिख देना है. 3 विल be written as it is. Now by dividing 6 by 2 the answer will come 3. Now we'll take 3 1s are and 3 1s are. So our LCM comes to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 16 3s are is 48. In both the answer is coming same. HCF में क्या करना होता था कि दोनों नंबर जिससे डिवाइड होता था वही हमें करना होता था, बट हियर जो डिवाइड होता है उसको करना है, जो नहीं होता है उसको एज इट इज लिखते जाना टिल यू गो ऑन डिवाइडिंग. सो दिस आर द टू मेथड्स ऑफ LCM. नाउ वी विल मूव टू द exercise 3.7 based on the word problem of LCM and HCF. Now few things I wanted to टेल यू कि वर्ड प्रॉब्लम में कब क्या फाइंड आउट करना है. दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट HCF and LCM. HCF में the word which can be used is maximum, so here it will be minimum. Then smallest, sorry, here it will be largest, so here it will be smallest. Long, short, जो ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में फाइंड आउट करना है दैट विल देयर वी हैव टू ऑलवेज फाइंड आउट HCF. वेयर वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट इन मिनिमम, छोटे में फाइंड आउट करना है, इट विल बी LCM. Then long, short, longest, shortest, largest, smallest, maximum, minimum. So these are the few words by which you have to find out that what you have to find out in the question. Now in exercise 3.7, which is the last exercise of your chapter, in that the first question is given that Renu purchased 2 bags of fertilizer of weight 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum. क्या वर्ड यूज हुआ है? फाइंड द मैक्सिमम. मैंने क्या लिखा था? मैक्सिमम मीन्स व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट HCF. फाइंड द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ वेट विच कैन मेजर द वेट ऑफ द फर्टिलाइजर एग्जैक्ट नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स. ऐसा कौन सा वेट, कितने केजी का वेट होगा जो ये दोनों जो वेट है उसको प्रॉपरली कैलकुलेट कर सकता है. कुछ कम भी नहीं होना चाहिए, कोई ज़्यादा भी नहीं होना चाहिए. सो दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. बट द वर्ड विच इज़ यूज दिस मैक्सिमम मीन्स यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट HCF. Here's the second one. 3 boys step off together from the same spot. Their steps measure 63, 73, 70 and 77 respectively. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? So that we have to find out. Here the word minimum is being used. It means we have to find out LCM. Here maximum word is being used, means we have to find out HCF. तो ये यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना है. Here see the word longest is being used, means we have to find out HCF. The smallest 3 digit means LCM. Greatest 3 digit means HCF. Like that we have to see in the question. So the first one is the weight of 2 bags is being given. So weight of 2 bags of fertilizer is equal to 75 kg and 69 kg. This is given in the question. We have to find out the maximum value of weight. So therefore the maximum value of weight is equal to, okay, can be used to measure exactly is equal to what we'll write HCF of 75 and 65. इसका हमें HCF फाइंड आउट करना है. नाउ इन दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन देर इज नॉट मेंशन प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड और कॉमन डिवीजन मेथड और लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड. इट्स अपॉन अस विच मेथड वी अप्लाई. सो नंबर्स छोटे, सो वी कैन गो बाय कॉमन डिवीजन मेथड ऑल्सो. बोथ आर डिविजिबल बाय 7 plus 5 is 12, 6 plus 5 is 11. So it is divisible by 5 only. 5, 15s are, 5 ones are 5 and 13s are. So it is 69. Sorry, my mistake. 69 it is being there. $75 and 69. So 7 plus 5 is 12 and 9 plus 6 is 15, means it will go by 3. So 3 25s are and 3 23s are. So जो maximum value of weight जो use कर सकते हैं, that will be what? 3 kg, because here 23 is the prime number and here 25 is composite number, तो दोनों कोई भी common table में नहीं आएगा और we cannot divide them except 1 से divide करोगे तो answer will come same. So our HCF comes to 3 kg. जस्ट इतना ही है, खाली क्वेश्चन बड़ा होगा बट द आंसर विल बी शॉर्ट. सेकेंड वन, 3 बॉयज स्टेप ऑफ टुगेदर फ्रॉम द सेम स्पॉट. एक ही जगह से तीनों बॉयज़ ने स्टार्ट किया था. द स्टेप्स मेजर 63 सेंटीमीटर, 70 सेंटीमीटर एंड 77 सेंटीमीटर. एक का जो स्टेप का जो मेजर है वो 63 सेंटीमीटर का है, सेकेंड का 70 सेंटीमीटर और थर्ड का 77 सेंटीमीटर. Now what is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps. उनको मिनिमम कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करना होगा तो वो सबके एक ही जगह पे पहुंच जाएंगे एट अ सेम टाइम. कवर द डिस्टेंस इन कंप्लीट स्टेप्स. सो फॉर दैट अगेन व्हाट विल राइट, three boys steps measures is equal to 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter and 77 centimeter. These are the measures of the 3 steps. Now what we have to find out, the minimum distance each should cover. हर एक को कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करना पड़ेगा. सो फॉर दैट LCM of 63, 70 and 77. So again here nothing is being mentioned, so we can use any method we want. So we'll do common division only. 63, 70 and 77. So ये 3 से होगा, ये 2 से होगा and it will go by 7. But ये 2 से होगा, so we'll start from 2. 63 will be written as it is. 35 2s are 70 and then 77. Now we cannot divide any number by 2, so 6 plus 3 is 9, 5 plus 3 is 8, so this can go by 3. So 3 2s are and 3 1s are, so 35 or 77 as it is. Again by 3 7s are 35 and 77 as it is, we have to write down. Now we can divide 30 by 5, so 7 will be written as it is. 5 7s is 35 and 77 will be written as it is. Now 7 1s are, 7 1s are and 7 11s are, and finally 11 1. So this is what we are getting. So it will be, we have to multiply all of them. LCM is equal to 5 2s are 10, 10 9s are is 90, 9 7s are is 63, means 630. 630 into 11, so 11 zeros are 0, 11 3s are 33, 11 6s are 66 and plus 3 is 69. So this much distance they have to cover so that all will reach with whatever measurement step they are moving. तो इतना distance उनको cover करना पड़ेगा. That was your question number 2. Now question number 3. Now in question number 3, it is given the length, breadth and height of the room is given. Find the longest step which can measure the 3 dimension of room exactly. एक रूम का लेंथ भी दिया है, ब्रेथ भी दिया है और वो कितना हाइट में, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो बीइंग गिवन। तो ऐसी कौन सी लॉन्गेस्ट स्टेप हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं कि वो तीनों मेजरमेंट को एग्जैक्टली मेजर कर सकते हैं, कुछ भी कम नहीं ज़्यादा नहीं, एग्जैक्टली वो मेजर कर सकते हैं। सो लॉन्गेस्ट स्टेप बोला है मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट HCF. सो फर्स्ट व्हाट विल राइट, length, breadth and height of room is equal to 825 centimeter, 675 centimeter and 450 centimeter. This is already given in the question that length, breadth and height of room is equal to 825, 675 centimeter and 450 centimeter. So what we have to find out the longest step. Therefore the longest step required to measure the dimension of room exactly is equal to HCF of 825, 675 and 450. The longest bola means we have to find out HCF only, so we'll find out HCF. So again here nothing is being given, so it means we can use any method for finding out HCF. So 825, then 675 and 450. The HCF of these three numbers we have to find out. So if you want, you can go it by long division method. So it will be 450, 675 and 825, because it will be easy for us to find out if the numbers are big. So if we divide 675 by 450, 2s are अगर करोगे तो 4 2s are 8 हो जाएगा, here it is only 6, so we'll go by 1 only, 450, so 5, 2 and 2. Now 450, now 225 2s are, if we will calculate, so 200 into 2 is 400, 25 2s are is 50, so 225 2s are is 450. So we got first answer. Now as we are having third number, so 225 से किसको डिवाइड करेंगे, 825, so 2 4s are is 8, but 225 4s are is how much, 5 4s are 20, 4 2s are 8 to 10, 4 2s are 8 plus 900, so we have to go by 3s are, so 225 3s are is 3 5s are 15, 3 plus are 6 plus 1 7 and 3 2s are 6, so 675, 5 minus 5 is 0, 12 minus 7 is 5, 7 minus 6 is 1. Now 225, so 150 2s are is 300, so we have to go 1s are only, 150, so 5, 12 minus 5 is 7, now 75 से 150, so 75 2s are is 150, so therefore our HCF comes, that is 75 centimeter. Means वो टेप की जो लॉन्गेस्ट टेप हमको चाहिए, that should be of 75 centimeter. So this was what we have to find out in the board problem. So in this video student, this much only. In the next video we'll continue with the exercise. So till then, thank you and take care.